How to lower your cholesterol. A guide to staying healthy and feeling great. Imagine you're a superhero and your heart is the most important part of your superhero body. If your heart isn't working well, you can't do all the amazing things you want to do, like run fast, play sports, or just hang out with friends without getting tired. But guess what? You have the power to help your heart stay strong and healthy. How? By lowering your cholesterol. Sounds like a big task, but it's actually fun and easy if you know what to do. Cholesterol is a kind of fat that your body needs, but too much of it can cause problems. It can build up in your blood vessels and block the flow of blood to your heart, which could lead to heart disease. So, what can you do to lower your cholesterol and keep your heart happy? Here are some simple and fun tips you can follow. You've probably heard the saying, you are what you eat, and when it comes to cholesterol, that's true. Eating healthy foods can lower the amount of bad cholesterol in your blood and keep your heart in tip-top shape. Let's start with fat. Not all fats are the same. Some fats, like the ones in pizza, burgers, and ice cream, are called saturated fats. These fats can raise your cholesterol levels. To keep your heart happy, try eating less of these foods. Instead, choose foods with unsaturated fats, the good fats. These are found in things like oily fish, salmon, tuna, nuts, seeds, and vegetable oils like olive oil. But that's not all. You can also eat foods high in fiber, which helps lower cholesterol. Oatmeal, beans, fruits, and vegetables are all fiber-packed choices. So when you sit down to eat, think about filling your plate with colorful veggies, some fish, and a big bowl of oatmeal. Your heart will thank you. You might not realize it, but exercise is like a superhero power for your heart. When you exercise, your body burns fat and helps increase the amount of good cholesterol, or HDL, in your blood. The good cholesterol helps clear out the bad stuff and keeps your heart healthy. You don't have to be a world-class athlete to get the benefits of exercise. There are tons of ways you can move your body and get your heart pumping. Try things like playing a sport, taking walks with your family or friends, using the stairs instead of the elevator, or dancing to your favorite music. The key is to make it fun. The more you enjoy it, the more likely you are to stick with it. If you smoke, it's time to kick that habit for the sake of your health. Smoking lowers your levels of good cholesterol and raises your risk of heart disease. Even if you don't smoke, being around secondhand smoke can affect your heart too. So tell your friends and family how important it is to stay away from cigarettes. Your lungs, heart, and the people around you will thank you. If you're carrying extra weight, it could be affecting your cholesterol levels. That's because carrying around extra pounds can lead to higher levels of bad cholesterol. Losing a little bit of weight can make a big difference in how your cholesterol behaves. But don't think you have to go on some crazy diet. Just making small changes like eating more healthy foods, getting more exercise, and drinking more water can help you feel better and lose weight over time. Plus, as you lose weight, you'll have more energy to play, run, and enjoy your favorite activities. Want a delicious way to help lower your cholesterol? Eat apples. That's right. Just munching on 100 to 150 grams of whole apples every day may help lower your cholesterol levels. Apples are packed with fiber and other nutrients that help keep your heart healthy. And the best part? Apples are super tasty, and you can enjoy them as a snack, in a salad, or even in a smoothie. So, next time you're looking for something to snack on, grab an apple. It's like giving your heart a little gift every day. If you really want to give your cholesterol a boost, you could try whey protein. Whey protein is a supplement like a powder that can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, and total cholesterol, as well as lower blood pressure. Some people mix whey protein into smoothies or shakes. But before you try any new supplement, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor or a grown-up. They can help you figure out if it's right for you. In some cases, a doctor might prescribe medication to help lower your cholesterol. These medications, like statins, help lower bad cholesterol and can make it easier for your heart to stay healthy. But remember, medication is usually only needed if your cholesterol levels are really high, and your doctor will give you specific instructions on how to take it. Always follow their advice. Your heart's best friend, the cholesterol-busting team. Lowering your cholesterol isn't about doing just one thing. It's about creating a team of healthy habits that work together. When you eat healthy foods, get active, quit smoking, and even try fun things like eating apples, you're giving your heart the best chance to stay strong and happy. Plus, your heart is going to thank you by giving you more energy to do all the things you love. And remember, lowering cholesterol isn't something you have to do all at once. Start with one small change. Maybe swap a snack for an apple, or go for a walk after school. Once you start feeling how great these changes can be, you'll be ready to add more healthy habits. Your heart will be your biggest fan, cheering you on every step of the way. Want to have some fun while working on lowering your cholesterol? Here's a mini cholesterol challenge you can try. Eat a healthy snack. Choose a snack that's good for your heart, like a handful of almonds or a piece of fruit. Move your body. Try dancing, riding your bike, or playing a sport for 30 minutes. Make a healthy meal. Get involved in making dinner tonight. Maybe try a fish taco or a veggie stir-fry. Encourage a friend. Share what you're doing to lower cholesterol with a friend and challenge them to join you. By the end of the week, you'll be feeling healthier, more energized, and ready to take on the world with a strong heart. You don't have to be a superhero to have a healthy heart. By eating right, staying active, and making small, fun changes, you can lower your cholesterol and keep your heart in great shape. So start today. Your heart will thank you. And who knows? You might even become the cholesterol-busting hero of your family or classroom. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more to come.